Welcome to 2900 Myers Lane here in East Springdale. This new listing has 2 grand homes on 7 acres and is surrounded by plenty of attractions for your active lifestyle and is offered at a price you don't want to miss. The first all-brick home features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and is designed with entertaining in mind. Enjoy time together both inside and out on your covered patio with outdoor fireplace and in-ground pool. The second home is a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath, and 3 half bath, new construction nearing completion that has one of the best views in all of Springdale. For more information on this great property, call me, Adam Fleming, at Keller Williams Market Pro Realty, 479-435-5353.